Hello everyone, welcome to 𝕃𝕚𝕪 world. Today I'll be showing you how to make no loom heart charms. So here are some of them which I have made already. They are very simple and cute. You can wear it as a ring or put it as a pencil topper or hang it as a keychain. It's all your choice. So let's get started. First, we need 8 loom bands of your own choice of color and a hook which is available with a loom bands kit. So first take one rubber band and loop it around 3 times around the hook. Until you get like that. Next, take 2 other rubber bands and tightly pull it and keep it in your index finger and carefully slip all these 3 loops into that big loop. And put the stretched end inside the hook until you get a structure like this. Pull the end to make it proper. Now we have to repeat this step one more time. And we have to make another set of this. So again, I will take one rubber band and loop it around 3 times. Just like that. And take 2 rubber bands and again pull it and hold it with my index finger. And put them inside and again put the stretched part inside the hook. Now you have 2 structures of the same kind. Now we have 2 rubber bands left. Take one rubber band, oopsie, and stretch it with your index finger and insert all these loops inside that one rubber band. Be careful with this step and make sure that the stretched rubber band does not fall off or slip, and put that loose stretched rubber band inside the hook. Until you get somewhat a kind of a heart. Now this looks like a heart, but we need to lock it so that the rubber bands doesn't come off. So to do that, so we have last rubber band left which we will not use now. Before that, just pull that end of the rubber band across the other one and just pull it downwards and it becomes tight. Now take the last rubber band and pull it and keep it in your index finger and slip the last loop, that entire loop, inside that and take the loose end of the stretched rubber band and place it inside the hook. Now you get somewhat like 2 knots, but it's not complete yet. So now again take the first part and pull it outside the hook and tight and pull it towards the heart. Now your heart is complete and it is ready for you to wear or hang it anywhere you want. I hope you liked this video and the way I explained. Thanks for watching. Do try this at home, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment down below for the next videos that we should do.